how's it going, guys? Josh and Arelli here, MarineMax St. Petersburg, standing on one of our newest listings, the HUMANATEE, a 2020 Aquila 36 Sport. The Aquila 36 is known for its versatility while having a full dayboat platform up top, while still remaining 2 staterooms and 2 heads into either sponson. As we start in the aft area here, you're going to see this large seating area that folds down to make a full sun pad. To our starboard, you're going to have a Kenyan grill with a secondary refrigerator underneath. Into the port, we're going to have our large live well for those days out fishing. As you move forward to that, you're going to see this large L-shaped seating with a drop-down table. This owner decided to replace the standard table with a custom teak tabletop. To the starboard, you're going to have a Kenyan cooktop, your main refrigerator, as well as your sink and some dedicated storage down below. As we move towards the helm, you're going to notice we have Raymarine electronics throughout. We have twin 12-inch axioms. We're going to have our Raymarine VHF paired with a Raymarine radome. And then we have our Mercury throttles, as well as the Mercury Joystick, which incorporates autopilot, Skyhook, as well as your joystick technology. As we move towards the bow, we have a seating area that can be changed up into multiple different ways. Right now we have it in the sun pad, but you can have these seats actually face each other, so you can have 2 separate sets of people having conversations on either side. Let's go take a look down below. The beautiful thing about the Aquila 36 and catamarans in general is the amount of usable space inside of each of the sponsons. On the Aquila 36, we're going to have 2 dedicated staterooms with their respective heads in either sponson, and you'll see here I'm standing in the starboard sponson currently with our berth behind us, and after that we're going to have our full standing wet head. We appreciate you coming along for this walkthrough of the 2020 Aquila 36 Sport. If this boat fits the needs for you and your family, please give us a call, 727-366-5980. Again, my name is Josh and Arelli, and we look forward to helping you get on the water soon.
Mr.